Hey, what's up? It's your girl Crystal Triggs back at it again, but this time I'm not doing a mukbang. I'm doing an unpackaging of Just Fab. I bought Just Fab right before the holidays. I've been rocking them. It was something when I was in college living on the dorms that I love to do. I love to shop from Just Fab. So all you ladies, if you balling on a budget and still want to look fly, Just Fab. So those are my brown boots. I have them posted. I've been actually wearing those. But I also got another pair. These will be the black ones. And I wanted to do an unpackaging because I really like Just Fab. And right now, they're running some crazy deals. You can get some boots from Just Fab that normally run you like 50-something bucks for under 20. So I'm opening up my next package. Just Fab, baby. And this is what it looks like when you unwrap it. You got your top, got your tissue paper that says Just Fab on it. You probably can't really see it, but if you can, just for the heck of it. And here is my new pair of leather black rider boots. If you guys like wearing, I love wearing these in the winter time when it's cold and stuff. Excuse my nails again. I have to explain that I ripped one off and it hurt, and I'm not ready to get the acrylic back on. That's why I haven't got them done. But here is the black pair. Similarly identical to my brown pair, except this one has the little wool on the top. Keeps you warm. Smells like leather. Under $19.99. Just Fab, baby. And here's my other one. I'm not going to take my little display I have back of the brown ones, but if you could see them, I'll go ahead and grab this camera real quick and kind of bring them. I've been wearing, these have been like my favorite thing to wear. Just Fab. Don't sleep on Just Fab. For those of you who are balling on budgets and need to stay looking relevant, Just Fab. College students, when I was in college, I was the Just Fab queen. Even now, I'm like, I got to go in on the Just Fab. It's really good. The deals are excellent. And that's it on my unpackaging of the Just Fab. See you guys on my next video. And remember, stay positive.